Hello everyone. Today in this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we will see how to create a custom marks transition that will allow us to wipe from one clip to the next using the real object in the video. I will take two clips on my timeline here. We will look for object, for example, man walking in front of a camera or blocking a camera, so that we can wipe through a man walking and show another scene coming up behind. We will click on the clip, go to the Effects Control panel and then grab our pen tool to create a mask. We will plot out points and trace through a pretty close line of this object. We will try to get a pretty accurate line and then connect it to make a shape. We will mask off just this area. In the Effect Control panel and we select Inverted. Also use mask feather opacity, expansion and a little bit of feathering, and then also maybe expand it to have a more soft edge. We will go forward one frame. If we click on the mask, it will activate all of those points for us and we will only adjust a small portion each time. It adds new keyframes at this point. Again, mask forward one frame. You can also just use your arrow key to remove forward one frame and then double click on the mask and do the same thing until we reach the end frame where we have masked out the entire screen. Go back to the start and then take another footage that we are trying to transition in. Pull it so it's under that track So this clip with the mask is over. What we get is a real beautiful custom mask transition.